Write it down. Hi, Charles here. Good morning. Happy Friday. Thank God it's Friday. I hope you had a good start of the day. Kasi Friday na, mag-weekend na. So, you still have the one day, today, to magkayod, right? But good luck for today. Pray bago umalis ng bahay, and I hope maging super productive yung day na to for you. So, okay, let's dive in dun sa topic natin na write it down. So, for the past 2 days ba or 3 days na shinare ko is yung how was the progress na nung mga or for the last 3 months ano nangyari kasi diba January, Feb, and then March. So ano na yung mga resolution or goals or plans mo yung na-achieve na. And then yesterday we talk about yung reassess, restart, continue, ano yung mga gusto mong gawin moving forward. So paano mo ba siya makikeep track, diba? So the best thing to do it, I personally write it down talagang mano-mano sa papel or notebook or kung saan man yan. So ako usually talagang sa notebook sinusulat ko, but of course there are other means naman like putting into G-sheet, diba? Or yung mga notepad or whatever na pwede mong paglagyan para at least malaman mo na ito yung goal mo for the next 3 months or for the second quarter, and you would be able to access it. Sana yung madali mo siya makita para at least you can write down yung mga progress, what happened for the month of April, ano na yung nagawa mo, and ano yung pwede mo pang magawa for the next 2 months para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo at the end of the 3 month or yung second quarter. But yeah, I guess yun lang. Write it down or ilista mo, i-type mo, or kung ano mang ways for you to parang ma-keep track mo yung progress mo. So ayun, yun lang for today. Good luck, God bless, take care, and enjoy the rest of your day. See you tomorrow. Annyeong. Mwah.